everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Now, I did not realize I spent 2 hours in my store. Yeah, I got there at a time, and then by the time I left, it was like 2 hours later. It's because I try to have everything figured out when I get there, and then they have some surprises there, and then I'm trying to figure out certain things here and there, and I'm just like, ugh. But I ended up spending 2 hours in CVS. If I could only, you know, spend less time there and get better deals, that'd be great. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, I did make a royal mistake. I was going to get this one toothpaste, and then I'm like, no, this is better. Didn't realize there was 2 different sales, and then I'm like, okay, there's no point in me returning it, because if I return it, I lost my money and it's a lost cause anyways. So what I was thinking is that if it says if you buy one, you get $3. So I'm like, okay. So I thought it said buy one, get $4 actually. So I'm like, okay, this is $6.99. I use a $1 off coupon. I have a 2 off a 6 CRT. It'd be awesome. And I get there and I'm like, wait, I didn't get my money for it. And I'm like, okay, what the heck went wrong? Well, what happened is I just couldn't read very well. So this was $6.99 and this was $4.19. I used 2 $1 off coupons. I also had that 3 off of 6 CRT that I had. So I ended up paying $6.18 for both of these. But then you guys would get $4 back with an ECB, making it $2.18. So I usually say never pay for toothpaste, especially over $1. But that was my mistake, and things happen, you guys. Everybody makes everybody makes mistakes, and that's okay. But so I ended up doing this real deal wrong on both transactions because I have 2 different cards. But like I said, I didn't want to return them, and you know what? It happens. Everybody makes a mistake. So that was my dumb mistake of the day. The next deal we did is a Scope mouthwash. Now these were $4.19. I used 2 $1 off coupons for these. I had a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. I paid $4.38 for the both of these. But then you guys will get $3 back and $3 back, making it a $1.62 money maker. So I got these absolutely free. So if you guys think about it, it kind of made up for my toothpaste. Just saying, it made up for my toothpaste. So definitely sharing with you guys with that deal in case you need to get some mouthwash. I did have this empty, but I'm on my 3rd video right now, so it's like completely full. Did the Poise deal. Now this is a great freebie and a money maker if you guys can do this deal. So these were $5.99. I used that $3 off coupon, plus there is a digital coupon if you guys want to do it that way. I had a 2 off $1 off Poise, and I also had a $2 off Active Collection CRT for the Poise. So I ended up getting this for a $1 moneymaker as it is, but then you guys will get $2 back. So this came out to be a $3.01 moneymaker. So got this absolutely free and made money. Now you guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards for this, but the way CVS does the receipt now, you guys probably won't get anything for this. Yeah, you can still scan it, but it's a lost cause with CVS on Fetch. So just giving you guys some kind of high hopes, you know. So yes. Next deal we did is the Dial body wash. Now, a lot of you guys who got those coupons, I didn't get them, so I ended up using a 2 off of 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. So you guys want to use that if you guys can, but these were 2 for $6. I had a 2 off of 2 coupon that I used. I also had a 2 off of 6 body wash coupon, and then I also had a different type of body wash coupon. No, I had a 2 off of 2 Dial body wash, and then I had a 2 off of 2 body wash coupon. I know, seriously, and it had problems. So you guys would get these absolutely free with those. But then if you guys have the 2 off of 2 on Saving Star. You guys will end up making these a $2 moneymaker. I'm going to submit my receipt to Walmart because I did a bunch of different rebates, so I'm just doing that. But this is still a great deal if you guys want to do it that way. Absolutely free, and you guys can make some money off of that. I did the Wet n Wild deal. Now the mascara was $3.89 and the blush is $3.19. I used that buy 2 get 1 free coupon, so it took off the $3.19. You guys would pay $7.08 for all 3 of these, but then you get $5 back, making it $2.08 or just 69 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. So yeah, loving that. I did the Gillette deal. Now, I did these with both cards because I like getting these because I do want to give these to the homeless. I have a bunch of this stuff and I just haven't given them away yet. I just got to. But I dropped it. But anyways, are you serious? Anyways, these are $1.59 a piece. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You guys would pay $3.18 for the both of these, but then you guys can get $2 back in an ECB, making it $1.18. So I thought $1.18 for both of these are pretty great, and these are great for travel. Great for travel. So sharing you guys that deal. I ended up getting the Schick razor deal. Now this ended up turning out to be a great deal. So this was $8.49 and this was $13.49. I needed a deal where you need to spend $25 to do this deal. So I ended up getting 2 shaving creams for $2.99 each. So I had a 7 off of 3 Schick razor coupon. And I also had 2 $1 off coupons that we had from our printables from a while ago. I had a $4 off Schick Extreme 3 CRT. I had a 4 off of 25 Shave CRT. And I had a $1.50 off of 2 Skintimate or Edge CRTs. So I got all 4 of these items for $9.46. But then I got $10 back in an ECB, making these a 54-cent moneymaker. So I got these all for free and I made money, which I absolutely love. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my god, my thing is just overflowing. The next deal we got is this Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Shampoo. These were, lost my spot, these were $3.19 a piece. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would pay $4.78 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $3 back ECB, making them just $1.78 or 89 cents a piece if you guys are interested with that. So that is a great deal if you guys are interested. I ended up doing the Dial Foam hand wash. I love the Dial hand foam body blah 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 blah. Yeah, these are 2 for $4. You guys, I used a $1 off of 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. I also had a 2 off of 2 Dial Foam Hand Wash CRT. So I ended up getting these for $1. Now you guys can also submit your receipt for $1 off of 2 on Saving Star. I'm going to do that with my Walmart, so I don't have to do it now. But other than that, I think these are a great deal to to do that, so definitely do that. I did it with both cards because I could not pass that up. But if you guys do that with the Savings Star, you guys can get these absolutely free. So love stocking up on the Dial Hand Foam Wash. I did the Almay deal. Now this was $9.59. Now this is concealer. I actually really like this concealer. I'm using this right now and my one's getting empty, so I wanted to get another one because I had some and I just couldn't find them. And then this was $9.50, or this was $6.49. So together they came out to be whatever. I had a $6 off printable CRT that just came out today, and I had a 5 off of 15 Almay. So I paid $5.08 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $4 back in an ECB, making it just $1.08, which I think is a pretty good deal for that. Especially concealer, like $1 for this stuff. That's a pretty great deal. So definitely using that for my makeup because I need some makeup. I got the Dawn dish soap. I just did this with one card, but these were 99 cents. I used that 25-cent CRT. Got this just for 74 cents. I'm like, why not? It's Apple. Oh, it smells good. And I've been cleaning dishes like crazy lately, so had to get some more of those. I ended up having the free app thing, the seltzer water in the unsweetened. I don't even know what the price was for this, but I got this free. So definitely check your apps and see what you guys can get. Now I ended up getting this Physicians Formula eyeshadow. I'm actually really excited to use this. I really like the color and I just like the way it feels. It's like super smooth and I like the iridescent color. But this was $17.99. It's crazy. 18 bucks for eyeshadow. Yeah. But this was, I used a $4 off printable coupon that we got from coupons.com a while ago. Now that coupon is a limit of one coupon per transaction. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But I also had a 5 off of 18 CRT that printed off. So I got this for $8.99. But then you guys will get $6 back in a ECB. So this comes out to be just $2.99. So I'm like, $2.99. I'd get it. So I'm pretty excited to that. So I want to wear those colors and see how much they turn out. But it's got like a nice purple and a blue. And then I really like the copper colors in it. So pretty excited to try that one out. And then the last deal I got is the Whole Blends and the Garnier deal. Now, I actually got these coupons in one of the inserts that I got today. I buy a paper and it had these inserts in it, and they never do. But these were 2 for $8, so I got 3 of them. I used a $4 off a 2 coupon. And then the Garnier Fructis were also 2 for $7. I used a 4 off a 2 coupon for that. I also had a 4 off of 18 CRT, and then I had a $1 off instant coupon that was printed with that. So you guys will get all 5 of these for $6. But then you guys buy 3, you get $3 back with an ECB or extra care bucks with the Whole Blends. So you guys will get all 5 of these for $3 or just 60 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I barely ever get this stuff, so when I get those coupons I really like to find great deals for it. So I was pretty excited with that. But my total came to $12.77 is what I paid for out of pocket. Most of it was because of my toothpaste. I just paid for it. I didn't even pay in ECBs. But I ended up using $48.92 worth of ECBs. One of them got marked down to like half of it. I'm like, oh, nuts. So I lost some money, but that's okay. But I ended up receiving $51 back in ECB, so I did gain some. So my grand total came to $10.69. I did get 36 items. That comes out to be just 29 cents a piece, which is a great deal. If I don't submit my receipts on my Walmart, it'll automatically submit it for me, but I'll get $2 and $1 back with Dial. So just sharing with you guys with that. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Thank you guys for watching my CVS haul. I think it was a great week for CVS. And again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.